We're going to show you how to install your Pentair connected salt level sensor. You'll need at least 10 pounds of softener salt to complete the installation. Prior to starting the install, you'll need to add the connected salt level sensor to your Pentair Home app. In the first stage of the tank setup, the sensor will take measurements of your brine tank in order to give you the proper fill levels and alert you when your salt levels are running low. You will be taking 3 measurements and adding salt into your brine tank when prompted. The first step is to clip the sensor to the outside of the tank with the square guide light illuminating on the floor. Ensure that nothing is obstructing the guide light illumination. Tip: your softener must be on the floor and not on a platform for this step. If your softener is elevated, use a piece of cardboard to mimic the floor at the height of the platform. Once ready, press Measure Height in the Pentair Home app. The app will display the measurement or ask to measure again if unsuccessful. Press Continue. Remove the sensor from the outside of the tank and now clip it on the inside so that the light is now illuminating inside the tank. Tip: ensure that the light is illuminating on the salt and not touching adjacent brine tank walls or the brine well. Avoid mounting the sensor within 2 inches of corners or the brine well. Press Measure Height. The app will display the measurement or ask to measure again if unsuccessful. Press Continue. The next step is to take a salt measurement. There is no need to remove the sensor. Simply add at least 10 pounds of salt to the brine tank and enter the amount added in the app. If you are unsure the weight of the salt, click the small blue question mark for a helpful guide. Press Continue. You will now repeat the measurement on the inside of the tank by pressing Measure Height. Your app will display the measurement or ask to measure again if unsuccessful. Press Continue. Your sensor is now installed. Learn more about the connected salt level sensor and other home water connected products at pentair.com/home.